A strange thing happens when people discover that you have money. The way they speak to you changes. The way they think about you changes. Even the way they treat you begins to shift. Someone who once saw you as an equal suddenly starts comparing their life to yours. Someone who never cared about your success becomes interested in your financial decisions. And someone who never needed your help suddenly has a reason to ask for it. Most people spend years learning how to make money, but very few learn how to protect themselves from the attention money attracts. The truth is that wealth doesn't only create opportunities, it also creates expectations, jealousy, curiosity, and pressure. This is why some of the most financially successful people in the world are also some of the most private. They understand that the more people know about your finances, the more influence they gain over your life. What many people fail to realize is that some of the most expensive financial mistakes don't happen because of bad investments or poor decisions. They happen because the wrong information reaches the wrong people. Today, we're going to explore 5 financial secrets that smart people rarely share. Secrets that can protect your wealth, your freedom, and your peace of mind in a world where everyone seems interested in what everyone else is earning, saving, and spending. Secret 1. Most people think revealing their income is harmless. After all, it's only a number. But money has a unique ability to change how people see you. The moment someone learns how much you earn, they stop judging you based entirely on your character and start judging you through the lens of that number. If your income is higher than theirs, comparisons begin immediately. They wonder why you earn more, what advantages you had, or whether you even deserve it. If your income is lower than expected, they may quietly underestimate your abilities. Either way, revealing your income rarely benefits you. The strange thing is that income doesn't actually measure wealth. A person earning a massive salary can be trapped in debt, while someone earning far less may be building financial freedom through investments and ownership. Yet society continues to treat income like a scoreboard. Smart people understand this. They know that the more information they reveal about their earnings, the more expectations people place on them. Suddenly, they're expected to pay for things, help relatives, lend money, or solve other people's financial problems. The wealthiest people often avoid discussing exact numbers because they understand that privacy creates freedom. The less people know about your income, the less power they have to compare, judge, or influence your decisions. Secret 2. Never reveal how much you have saved. Many people work hard to build their savings, but few understand the importance of keeping those savings private. The moment other people know how much money you have in the bank, they begin seeing you differently. Friends may start asking for favors, relatives may expect financial help, and suddenly the money you saved for security becomes a source of pressure. The problem isn't always bad intentions, it's human nature. When people know resources exist, they naturally think about how those resources might help them. What most people don't see are the years of discipline and sacrifice it took to build that financial cushion. They only see the result. This is why many financially successful people avoid discussing their savings. They understand that savings are meant to provide security, not attention. The more private your financial position remains, the less likely it is to attract unnecessary expectations from others. Real wealth isn't about showing people how much money you have. It's about knowing you're prepared for unexpected challenges. While many people seek validation through appearances, smart people focus on protection. They let their savings grow quietly and avoid turning their financial security into public information, because the less people know about your money, the less influence they have over it. Secret 3. Never reveal your investment strategy too early. Many people get excited when they discover a new investment opportunity. Whether it's a stock, a business idea, real estate, or a side project, their first instinct is often to tell everyone around them. They share their plans with friends, family, co-workers, and sometimes even strangers online. At first, this feels harmless, but the moment too many people know about your investment strategy, you invite opinions from people who may know nothing about what you're trying to achieve. Suddenly, everyone becomes an expert. People who have never invested a dollar start giving financial advice. People who fear risk begin predicting failure, and people who don't understand your vision start questioning your decisions. Over time, these opinions create doubt and uncertainty. What started as a strong plan slowly becomes clouded by other people's fears and beliefs. This is why many successful investors prefer to move quietly. They understand that opportunities need time to grow, just like a seed planted in the ground. An investment doesn't become stronger because more people know about it. In fact, too much attention can sometimes do more harm than good. Smart people focus on execution instead of validation. They don't feel the need to announce every move they make. They let results speak for themselves. The truth is that financial success rarely comes from talking about opportunities. It comes from acting on them. The less time you spend explaining your plans, the more time you have to build them. And in the world of money, quiet execution will almost always outperform public announcements. Secret 4. Never reveal your future financial plans. One of the biggest mistakes people make is revealing their future financial plans before they've actually accomplished them. The moment someone decides to start a business, invest in a new opportunity, or pursue a financial goal, they often feel the need to tell everyone around them. They talk about the success they're going to achieve long before they've done the work required to achieve it. While this may feel motivating at first, it often creates the opposite effect. When you constantly talk about your future plans, you expose them to other people's opinions, doubts, and fears. Some people will tell you it's impossible, others will remind you of every risk involved, and many will project their own limitations onto your ambitions. Over time, this negativity can slowly weaken your confidence and distract you from your original vision. Successful people understand that results speak louder than promises. Instead of announcing every move, they focus on execution. While others are busy talking about what they're going to do, they're quietly doing it. This is why many successful businesses, investments, and careers seem to appear out of nowhere. What people don't see are the months or years of silent work that happen behind the scenes. There is also a psychological reason for staying quiet. When you tell people about your goals, your brain can sometimes mistake talking for progress. You receive praise and recognition before you've actually earned it, which can reduce the motivation to follow through. Smart people avoid this trap. They keep their plans private, stay focused on the process, and reveal their success only after the results become impossible to ignore. Because in the world of money, it's often better to surprise people with your success than entertain them with your plans. Secret 5. Never reveal your net worth. Perhaps the most important financial secret of all is your net worth. Most people focus on how much money they earn, but truly wealthy people pay more attention to what they actually own. Your net worth represents the total value of your assets after subtracting your debts. It is one of the clearest measurements of your financial position, and for that reason alone, it should remain private. The moment people discover how much you're worth, relationships often begin to change. Some people become impressed, others become jealous. Some may start expecting more from you, while others quietly resent your success. The unfortunate reality is that money can influence the way people treat you, even when you haven't changed at all. The only thing that changed was the information they received. Many of the world's wealthiest individuals live surprisingly private lives. They don't constantly advertise their assets or reveal their financial position to everyone around them. They understand that real wealth isn't about attracting attention. It's about creating freedom. The more people know about your net worth, the more opinions, expectations, and unnecessary attention you invite into your life. Smart people understand that privacy is a form of protection. They don't need validation from others because they know their financial success speaks for itself. Instead of focusing on appearing wealthy, they focus on staying wealthy, and that often means keeping their true financial position known only to a small circle of trusted people. At the end of the day, your net worth is personal information. The less people know about it, the easier it becomes to maintain your freedom, protect your peace of mind, and continue building wealth without unnecessary distractions. Because sometimes the smartest way to grow your money is to stop giving everyone a front row seat to it. Conclusion: most people spend their entire lives learning how to earn money, yet very few learn how to protect it. They proudly share their income, talk about their savings, announce their investments, and reveal their future plans without realizing that every piece of information they give away reduces a little more of their privacy. The truth is that wealth attracts attention, and attention doesn't always bring opportunities. Sometimes it brings expectations, pressure, jealousy, and unnecessary complications. The people who understand money the best have learned a simple lesson. Not everything needs to be shared. They don't stay silent because they're selfish. They stay silent because they understand human nature. They know that the less people know about their finances, the more control they have over their decisions, their freedom, and their future. While others seek validation, they focus on building. While others talk about success, they quietly create it. At the end of the day, real wealth isn't about impressing people. It's about having choices. It's about having security when times get difficult. It's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms without needing approval from anyone else. And that freedom becomes much easier to protect when your financial life remains private. So protect your income, protect your savings, protect your investments, protect your plans, and most importantly, protect your peace of mind. Because sometimes the smartest financial decision you can make isn't earning more money. It's learning when to say less about the money you already have